Welcome! If you want to check battery health information into your VIVO V20, first step, go into Play Market and find Empire application, this one. So I'm already installed this application, need installing, and then click open. And then need swipe right, and on the top we got health battery information, this one option. So our health battery is good, and that's it. So easy, right? Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.